Hello, everyone. Have you ever sung English songs loudly in the shower? Maybe you've been singing Shape of You at the top of your lungs, or perhaps some songs by BTS or Taylor Swift. But here's an interesting question. Does singing English songs actually improve your English skills? Or is it simply a fun activity? In today's video, we're going to talk about why singing can help you learn English, what it cannot do, and how to make it truly effective. So, let's get started. Why is singing in the shower so effective? The first reason is confidence. Most people feel more confident when they're alone in the shower. Why? Because they think nobody is listening. They aren't afraid of making mistakes. The biggest obstacle to speaking English isn't grammar. It's fear. The fear of saying something wrong in front of other people. But when you're singing in the shower, that fear disappears. You feel free to speak loudly and express yourself. And that's incredibly important for improving pronunciation.
First of all, 1. Pronunciation. When you listen to songs and sing along, you're naturally imitating native speakers. For example, the phrase "I don't know" in a textbook sounds very different from how people actually say it. Native speakers often pronounce it as "I don't know." Songs expose you to these natural pronunciation patterns. That's one reason why they can be such a useful learning tool. 2. Listening skills. When you listen to the same song repeatedly, you begin to notice new words, sounds, and connected speech patterns. Sometimes you may have seen a word in a book, but never truly remembered it until you heard it in a song. This kind of repeated exposure helps strengthen your listening skills. 3. Vocabulary retention. Words connected to music are often easier to remember. Many learners first encounter words like love, dream, forever, or lonely through songs. Because music includes rhythm and melody, our brains tend to store those words more effectively. That's why song lyrics can be powerful memory tools.
But singing alone is not enough. Now, here's something important. Singing English songs by itself won't automatically make you fluent. Why not? Because the language used in songs isn't always the same as everyday conversation. Some grammar structures are unusual, some expressions are poetic, and some words are changed simply to fit the rhythm of the music. So, songs should be treated as a supplementary learning tool. They shouldn't become your only method of study. The best approach is to combine songs with listening practice, speaking practice, and shadowing exercises. That combination produces much better results. 3 ways to learn English effectively through songs. Method 1. Read the lyrics. Don't just sing the words. Try to understand what every line means. Learning the meaning behind the lyrics makes the experience much more valuable.
Method 2. Pause and repeat. Listen to one line at a time. Pause the song, then repeat it. This technique is called shadowing. Try to imitate the speaker's pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation as closely as possible. Method 3. Choose songs you truly love. Pick songs that you genuinely enjoy. When you love a song, you'll naturally listen to it over and over again. And repetition is one of the most important elements of language learning. If you force yourself to study with songs you don't like, you'll probably lose motivation very quickly. So, does singing English songs in the shower actually help you learn English? The answer is yes, but it's most effective when you use the right approach. Songs can improve pronunciation, listening skills, vocabulary, and confidence. However, don't forget the importance of real speaking practice and genuine conversations. Now, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below. What English song do you sing most often? And another question, are you a shower singer or a professional singer? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep speaking English anywhere.
Speak English anywhere.